The woodpecker is on the little branch tree next to this fallen log.
Yeah, right in there.
It's the one with the red head, so the red-crested woodpecker. And we could hear some rustling as we were coming up the hill, and I wanted to make sure it wasn't some sort of bear or dangerous creature, but I see the rustling is just coming from a mere woodpecker pecking at this small tree.
That was a cool find. Oh, he is cool. What are you gonna say about him?
I like his color scheme. Very in for fall, very of the trends. He scurried off, obviously a very busy man. He's off to some sort of meeting, obviously, in the fashion industry. So, carry on, Mr. Beetle.
All right. So, what have we come across here?
Here we've come across the boardwalk portion of the hike, which is a narrow boardwalk through some wetlands, and hopefully we don't run into any hikers coming the opposite direction, because as noted in the trail guide, we'll just have to cope.
And where are these?
Oh, and we just blindly hiked past some lovely stakey mushrooms on the mossy tree. You can see these fungi coming off the side.
Continuing on.
Adventure. A small woodland chipmunk. Probably the same one as pictured on our jar of chocolate coconut peanut butter. He knows what's up.